this is Courtney from MoodSociety.com, and today we're taking a look at our brand new Mood exclusive Italian zipper kits, each one featuring a zipper tape, pull, and pull snap. These are available in a variety of colors, widths, and lengths, and each one features a gorgeous Mood logo on the back of each pull. To start, all you do is take your zipper pull, place it right here. Next you have your pull snap, which as you can see is not 100% symmetrical. This portion right here sticks out just a little bit, which coincides with our hole right here on our zipper pull. All you do is place that over top, make sure everything is aligned. And before you press down, be aware that there's no turning back once you snap it into place, so make sure that the zipper pull you have is the zipper pull you want. To complete your zipper, all you have to do is press down lightly on your pull snap and it should pop right into place and be ready to apply to any of your fabulous garments. For any questions or concerns, please contact our customer service team at info@moodfabrics.com or through the live chat on our website. Happy designing!